Hello, welcome to this channel. My name is El Diego. I'm glad you're here. In this tutorial, I am going to give you a walkthrough of TradingView and how to use all the tools to your advantage. Okay, I did a tutorial specifically for this side. If you haven't watched it, please click the link in the description or click the top here to access it. Okay, so in this today video, we are going to focus here at the top of TradingView, and let's begin. Right here is where you type your ticker symbol. You can type any ticker symbol that you want. Let's type SBUX. And now we have a chart of Starbucks. Or you can type Apple, AAPL. Now we have a chart of Apple. Okay, let's go back to SBUX. Sorry, let's type again, SBUX. Now we have a chart of SBUX, which is Starbucks. Okay, what is this icon? The plus icon. Now, if you have Starbucks here and you want to compare Starbucks with a different ticker symbol, let's say Apple, and you can click on it and type Apple, AAPL. Now we have a line here for Apple, and we have candlestick for Starbucks. Okay, so now as you can see, we have Apple going down and Starbucks going down. It's, you know, the trend almost look the same. Okay, so now if you want to remove it, you can click the plus sign again. Now we have Apple here. You can uncheck it. Okay, now we don't have it on the screen anymore. Okay, it's gone. So let's move on. Now as you can see, we have different time frame here: 1 minute, 2, 3, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, and more. Okay, how do you put them there? You can click here on that arrow and have different time frame. You can even put second, 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, and the one with the star, those are my favorites. You know, that's why you see a star in front of them. So you can even, you know, add your own custom time frame. Okay, so if you want to add whatever time frame you want, you at the bottom here, you add and the minutes, and then once you're done, you click add. You are going to see it, you know, here. Okay, that's how you add time frame. So those time frame, if you want them, you can just add a star in front of them. They are going to appear at the top here. Okay, now let's go to this one. This one says candles. When you click on it, as you can see on the screen, those are candlestick, right? Let's say we want to change candlestick to line. Now we have line on the screen. Okay, see, line, candles, bars. So I prefer my candlestick. Let's go back to candlestick. Now we have candlestick. Indicators. Okay, any indicators that you want to add on the screen, you can come here and add indicators. Okay, let's click on indicators. Now we can search any indicators that we want. Let's look for SMA, simple moving average. Okay, click on it. Simple moving average. When you click on it, now you have a simple moving average on the screen. So if you double click on it, the simple moving average, you can change the length of the simple moving average. You can, let's say 30. We want a 30 moving average. Now we change it to 30 moving average. If we want 40, we can, let's say 50 instead, 50. Now we have 50 moving average. Okay. And what about RSI? Let's add an RSI. RSI, relative strength index. Relative strength index. Click on it. Now we have RSI. Okay. What about MACD? MACD, MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence. Let's click on it. And now we have MACD at the bottom of the screen. So this, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. Double click on the screen. Boom, boom. Now we have a full screen, right? Okay, I wanna see my MACD. I wanna see my RSI again. What happened? How can I see it? Okay, double click the screen. Boom. Now you see your RSI, you see your MACD. Okay, double click again. Now we have a full screen to work. Okay, all right. Let's move on. Now we have template, indicator template. Okay, if you like this template, everything we add on here, everything on the screen, let's say you want to save it, and when you come back you want to see everything just like you set it up. Okay, you want to save it, just click save indicator template. Now you have your templates available. Okay, alerts, you can add alerts to the screen. You click on it, add alert name, message, okay, price, okay, crossing up, crossing down. You can add your alert, okay? And then click on create. But the easiest way to add alerts, you can go on this side. Let's say you want to add alert from here. You want to see when we have a break above this candle. You can go on the right side, click on this plus here, icon here, click on it and add alert at 92.96. Now we have alert on the screen. Okay, let's say you want to edit this alert, double click on it right here, double click. Now you can change the price. Right now it's at 92.96. You can change it to whatever value you want to put on and give it a name. Crossing line above 92.96. okay, and then this is the message. Okay, whatever you want to put, and then save. Now we have it saved. Okay, all right. So now this icon says replay. When you click on this replay bar. Let's say you were at work, you were doing something, you couldn't watch the market, and then you want to replay the day. You can come here and then replay. Click here, click on it again, and then click here. You can replay it. Okay. And now go at the bottom here, click on the play button here, and now you're going to see it play. Okay. All right. So one more thing I want to show you. Let's say you want to replay from here, and you see when you play it, it's a little bit slow. Let's say you want it to go faster. Okay, you can click right here at the bottom, click, and then change it to 1 time speed, 2 times speed right there. It's going to go faster. Okay, faster. Or you can click on it, make it go slower. All right. Okay, right there. I'm using 1 chart. You can put it to 2 chart. So now you can change your chart like this. You can change your chart this way. 1, 2, 3. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know. And let's go back to 1 chart. All right. And you can save layout, and whatever you do here, it will automatically save for you. You can share, you can click on this, copy the link and share it to someone. Okay. And you can rename. Right now I have this teaching template. If I want to change it, I can just add X by. Now I have teaching X. You see? All right. Now what else? Make a copy. You can make a copy of this template. Let's say I want to rename it and to something else. This teaching X going to stay, but if I make a copy, I can have now a different copy and call it YouTube, for example. Okay, once I do that, it's going to appear here. All right, you can export chart data. You can no layout, do a new one, and whatever you save, they're gonna appear here. They're gonna come here. And if you have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, if you have more than 4, you have to click on load layout. That's where you're going to find all of the templates that you save. Okay. All right, right there. This is a search. You can search any tool. Let's say what, triangle. Let's look for triangle. Now we have triangle available. Let's look for rectangle. Now we have rectangle. Okay, that's the easiest way to, you know, look for something. Right here, click on it and look for it. Right there, this is how you set your chart. We are not going to focus on this right now. I will make a video specifically on that, how to set your chart to your liking, change color, you know, the symbol, watermark. You know, as you can see, I have watermark here, and the chart green, you see white, you see red. You know, it depends on what you like. So if you want to go ahead and do that, this is how you do it. You know, click the setting, but I will do a video on that. All right, so now full screen, you can put the chart to full screen like this. Okay, now we are on full screen. And how do you get out of it? Click there. Okay, click. Oh, if you click there, you're going to see the bottom of the chart when you click here. Okay, let's go back to that corner, click this icon, exit full screen. Okay. And I'm pretty sure you can click on the ESC on your typing keyboard to exit full screen. Let's try that. All right, click on it and you exit full screen. Okay. All right, next, this is the camera. You can take a picture of the chart. Okay, if you want to take a snapshot, click on it and take a picture. And once you take that picture, you have to go to the downloads on your computer to find it. Okay, and you can publish your idea to the community in TradingView. All right. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of this tutorial, and if you find this information valuable to you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.